Hey traders, Joe Wright here from MaximumLots.com, here with the weekly supply and demand Forex outlook for the week beginning 24th of January 2016. So up on the charts here we have CJ CAD Yen on a daily, and you can see that massive move up from demand, and this is one thing that I mentioned in last week's video. I had this down for longs and shorts, longs from this demand, shorts from up here. So if I scroll over, in fact let me zoom out to weekly, then scroll over, boom, there we are. So this is the demand I highlighted last week. So if we get down there, then price is likely to turn, and that's exactly what it did. And you can see this is the reaction here. So once it hit that demand, it's right up over 400 pips, and it's just got a few pips, well, a few hundred, let's say. Yeah, another 250 pips and it will be at that supply. If it continues to rally up with those green candles, then we'll be monitoring the price action when it gets here. Now it may go straight up, it may reverse a bit before going up, we don't know, but either way we'll be watching CJ this week again. Now moving on, let's have a look at EG, Euro Pound. So what do we have here? So we've got that supply level which I'd marked up previously, which is this one here, and you can see that price has just engulfed that and it's heading back down. This is some nice looking demand. We've had a rally, a base, and another rally. We do have a bit of a trouble spot here. Price could easily pause here and then continue upward, but in terms of longs from demand, I would prefer this demand level down here. So that's the one that I've marked up on the chart for potential longs. Now moving on, let's have a look at some of the other ones then. What else do we have here? Let's look at pound yen. This is another one that I have marked up from last week. If I scroll over, mention that okay, we've got this this drop base rally, but that was a reaction to this demand level down here. So we could still have some demand down there, and if we scroll over to what we saw last week, there we saw it. There was a really big rejection from that area. Price rallied up over 600 pips. We do have a bit of supply here. Prices stop there. We could see price continue the descent downwards, but if price gets past here, then we could see pound yen continue to rally up. So if it gets past this trouble spot, let's just put that on. Okay, here, so if we get past here, we could see price continue up. But if not, then we could see a reversal here and back down through and down to further demand below. Okay, that is pound yen. What else do we have? Let's look at NU. So, yeah, that demand, price coming down, was looking for a long from here, and as you can see, price did bounce up. We do have a bit of a pause point here, although I expect price to get through that. So if you're not in yet, if price does break above here, just where you've got that pause, although price has wicked that moment already, so we should see price move up. But if you wanted to be safe, then you could wait for this to be engulfed first, before then looking for a continued move to the upside. But the path looks pretty clear after this point, so you might want to continue to watch that one. Other than that, let's look at dollar CAD. So dollar CAD has been rallying for quite some time now, quite a few months, and we've got this demand level. We've got price coming down with red candles only. If that continues, then we could have a nice long up, continuing long move. That's only 180 pips away, 186 or so. So one to watch this week. So that's the main ones that we're looking at with this trading method. So until next time, happy trading, guys.